up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys our New York City vlog. It is currently 4:45 and we are flying out of Charlotte to go to LaGuardia, and our flight is at 5:58. So I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys a little intro, and we're gonna just take you along on our journey throughout this weekend. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and just keep watching. Currently walking to Rockefeller Center. We just got coffee. It's cold, but we're like getting warmer the more we walk, so.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
We just got done riding bikes in Central Park.
I'm sad. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know.
Update, I lost my scarf. Okay guys, so now we are currently on our way to the subway because we're going to go to Manhattan Heliport to ride the helicopter over the city and stuff. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick little vlog moment as we're walking to the subway and give you an update. Today we're also planning to go to 9/11 Memorial and Museum and some other holiday stuff. Okay guys, hope you can hear me right now. We are currently at the water. We just went and got some breakfast at Chick-fil-A, and we are about to jump on the helicopter. And I'm nervous, but we're all excited too. So keep watching. Guys, we just got back from the 9/11 Museum and Memorial, and we are taking a food break here at, I don't even know, we're in some kind of little shopping center thing, but we are getting Shake Shack. And this place is super cool looking and decorated for Christmas. There's Mary and Shane. Alright guys, so I just put my hair up because I'm literally about to sweat like crazy. But we just arrived at Grand Central Terminal, and I'm showing you guys. This place is so cool, and it's like unrealistic in person. Like the pictures do not do it justice. And I'm a huge Gossip Girl fan, so this is super cool for me to see. Applebee's in Times Square because we wanted something quick and easy and near us, so.
No.
Again. Tonight is our last night. I know I haven't done much like actual talking to the camera, but I've just done a lot of relaxing on this trip. Well, not so much relaxing, but just kind of taking everything in and enjoying in the moment. I've been recording some clips, so I'm going to put the video together for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. We've really had a great time. If you did enjoy it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you have not already, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified for future videos. Also, if you don't already, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and all that good stuff. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye, guys.